Welcome to Everything with Reeve! Today we're going to be making a Thanksgiving runner with turkey. Now it's time to pour the paint. I'm pouring the paint, which is very hard. R. Look, I made an R. Now I'm going to alternate my hands. Whoa. Ooh, look at my hands now. Favorite thing about Thanksgiving is that my grandma always makes us mashed potatoes. Now I'm going to do my last hand print. I whip my hand back and forth. Now I'm on to my paint markers. First I'm going to draw all the feet of the turkeys. Then I'm going to do the eyes. And I'm just going to wait until the thumb dries. My family usually goes to like a restaurant and just have a big feast together. To make it festive, I'm going to do some leaves. Well, I think my thumbs are starting to dry. This one looks pretty dry to me. Hamels! I'm making a gobbler. Hope you like your Thanksgiving!